We like to stress the importance of proactive maintenance, particularly when it comes to your cybersecurity. But you don't always have that luxury. Here's what to do when you finally get hit with that ransomware you've been worried about. Hello, I'm Stan here from Stan's Garage. On this channel, we bring you everything you need to know for successful business IT management and sometimes a little bit of tech news. If you're new to the channel, I've been running STG Infotech, a successful managed IT service company here in Los Angeles for the past 15 years or so. And my goal with this channel is to help businesses and executives approach their IT with confidence. Ransomware attacks are a huge risk for businesses of all sizes, potentially causing major disruption and financial loss. Ransomware is a type of malicious software designed to block access to your computer system, your files, effectively holding them for ransom, right? You gotta get what you pay for. It's not called ransomware for nothing, folks. So these attacks are often devastating because they tend to target critical systems and sensitive data. So here in this video, I'm gonna share with you a checklist of steps of sort that you can take to get back on track directly following a ransomware attack. You ready? Let's get into it. The first step in responding to a ransomware attack is detection and analysis. Your business must be able to quickly identify which systems have been compromised and isolate them from the network to prevent further spread. This involves prioritizing critical systems and taking them offline if it's necessary. It's crucial to determine the nature of the ransomware and its impact on the affected system. By analyzing the ransomware variant and understanding its behavior, your team can develop more effective strategies for containment and recovery. Any business should consider the use of forensic tools, techniques to gather evidence for potential legal or law enforcement actions. In fact, your insurance company is probably going to demand you do that and use a third party, but that's a topic for another video. Once the infected systems are isolated, the focus shifts to restoration and recovery, right? It's time to prioritize the restoration of critical systems, which are going to be essential for your daily operations. You want to get things back up and running in no uncertain terms, right? Now this involves triaging impacted systems, identifying data housed on affected devices, and developing a plan for recovery. Consider using offsite backups and disaster recovery strategies to expedite that restoration process. Now, if you're maintaining up-to-date backups and regularly testing recovery procedures, your business can minimize downtime and mitigate the impact of ransomware attacks on its operations. Ransomware attacks often involve sophisticated techniques to evade detection. It's not much of an attack if you see it coming. Conducting thorough threat hunting activities will uncover those hidden threats and neutralize them. There's tons of software out there, you probably heard about it, MDR, next-gen antivirus. This stuff is critical. It's not going to prevent it 100%, but you're also going to want to monitor any unusual network traffic. Keep your eyes open for data exfiltration. Consider leveraging threat intelligence sources and collaborating with industry partners to stay informed about these emerging threats and attack trends. There's tons of newsletters out there. Watch this channel. You'll get plenty of information. You stay vigilant, proactive, and your team can mitigate any further damage while strengthening your overall information security posture. Now, once the extent of an attack is understood, it's time to focus on that containment and eradication. Now, this can involve taking decisive action to contain the spread of the ransomware and eliminate it from infected systems. Your business should consider implementing network segmentation and access controls to prevent any lateral movement by potential attackers. So I was getting into this a little bit before, but strongly suggest deploying EDR, endpoint detection and response solutions that will immediately identify and remediate these kinds of attacks from your endpoints. By isolating these infected systems and removing those ransomware payloads, usually by a complete wipe, you're going to be able to get back control of your organization, get things back up and running, restore things from backup, and document what you've learned here. Learn from this experience if you're one of the unfortunate victims. Based on that, you're going to update your security protocols, reinforce your defenses, and help protect from future attacks. The post-incident review, do some tabletop exercises, red team, blue team, help formulate future incident response plans. Engage in the community, industry forums, people will share experiences, and you can potentially help others learn from your misfortune. If you embrace that culture of continuing to improve, your businesses can come out of a ransomware attack, more resilient in the future. I know no one wants to get hit, but it can, strengthen you from a more serious attack in the future. Keep an eye open for what organizations like CISA are telling you to protect you from ransomware and help protect from those types of losses. Take proactive action today to stay ahead of those cyber threats of the future. So, as always, I would love your thoughts on this. Do you have an incident response plan? What does it look like? If you'd like to access our ransomware response checklist, there'll be a link in the description of the video for a free download. Don't let ransomware hold your business back. If you have a Los Angeles business, you want some help regarding ransomware or other IT needs, feel free to schedule a call with me or just comment below. There'll be a Calendly link if you want to book something. But thank you for tuning in to the channel. I hope you found this valuable, learned a little bit about cybersecurity and ransomware today. I'll catch you on the next one.